Hey guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm gonna show you around the shop. We'll show you what's popping. It's settling in. It's the end of the day. We worked our butts off today. It was a fun day. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of customers. I met a really cool guy today. I can't even tell you much about him because he's so light. He's a big dog. When a big dog comes in the shop, everybody's like, yes sir, we're here. Yes sir, thank you for coming. And he's like, man, you guys do good work. And I was like, thank you for working on my cars. I'll bring you some more of them. When I say he's got cars, like lots of cars. Anyway, I'm hyped about it. This is one of them. It's wrapped in paint protection film. The whole car's wrapped in paint protection film. Look how glossy Rossi it is. Dakota, Andre banged this out today. Wrapped the handles, wrapped it all. No big deal. Fender flares, all wrapped up. These new Broncos are pretty hip. Four-door, top comes off. Looks super fun. You gotta love it. You know what I mean? Black, all wrapped up. Got your inside, outside. It's cool. I think these are fun. He's gonna tow it behind his RV. He's excited to use it. You know, these are like little toys, you know what I mean? So it's good to have. We got a new Honda Accord in here. You guys seen this hybrid touring and whatever it is? Thing's pretty dope. These are coming out hot. My buddy brought this in for paint protection. He said, no big deal, you just gotta have it done by Friday. I said, no problem, bring it over here, I'm ready. I really need to get some work done. Front clip on it, and we're doing rockers. We're doing the roof in gloss black paint protection. We're gonna do the trunk in a clear, and we're gonna do this big strip down here. I'm gonna shine it all up. I'm gonna get this wheel fixed for him. It looks like it hit a little curb. My guy just pointed that out. So we're gonna get that fixed up. This is a pretty cool car. I don't know if I've showed it to you yet. It's wrapped in matte black. The guy got in an accident, messed up a lot of the wrap. We ended up wrapping it all up. We still haven't cleaned it up yet, but I didn't want you to miss it because by the time you'll be missing it tomorrow because it'll be gone. He gonna pick up. He's so excited. He misses his car so much. He's got a lot of cars too. But he was like, hey, I missed my car. I want to go hot rodding. So we got to get it cleaned up. We got to figure out what's going on with it. We got a guy back here pulling some dents out of this baby girl here. Look, ooh, she got a little, it came like that, just so you know. We didn't do that. But we're going to fix it up. When we do a wrap, a lot of times, we'll go through the whole thing, pull the dents out. We'll make it look as new as we can do it. I'll bring guys in. Your car doesn't have to go anywhere. We'll bring guys in. They'll do it after hours, so no inconvenience for the customer. You know, that's what we shoot for. You know, we're having a lot of fun. I got a chrome delete going on. It's over in the other shop. Another wrap truck. Those Empire trucks are going down. So we're doing a lot, really. I mean, for this time of year, usually, meh. You know, one might say, meh. But it's actually really going really good. I couldn't ask to get through this winter any better. So I'm excited to finally push through this, get to our busy season. We're gonna try to have a little fun. We're gonna do I want to see who can tint the window the fastest. So I think one of the next videos we should make would be who is the fastest? What's the fastest time we can do a window tint? What's the fastest time we can show you how to do a window tint? Plus the easiest way to tint a window. I thought of this the other day, the easiest way to tint a window. But you're gonna tune in, you're gonna check it out. It'll be cool to see what the tricks of the trade are. I know there's one way you can tint a window. I could probably show you and you could probably tint it. Anybody could probably tint it. It's a little shortcuts though. It's not how we would do it here. Oh yeah, so my guy, I want to tell you, I don't know if you know this, but we're doing a school right now. We're doing some security film, which is they're like blast film. You know, we put it on glass, makes it where you can't shoot it. You can make it where it's up to its blast proof. We're using an 8mm right now. There's different thicknesses. We're going to try to emulate what it would do. We're going to replicate what it would do with some guns. We're going to break out some real firearms and we're going to shoot some glass and we're going to see how much protection it brings to you in your home or your business with the security film, and we're going to test out and see if our manufacturer is putting their money where their mouth is, and that way you guys know what you're investing your money into and know your protection film is going to work. So, and we'll rate it, you know what I mean? We'll try it all out, and we're all excited to shoot a bunch of guns for sure. That'd be super fun. We're going to have a good time with it. So make sure you check that out. I don't know if YouTube will let us do all that and what they'll let us do. I don't know if we got to blur it out or whatever, but we're gonna try it out. So check it out, it'll be cool. So we got a lot of cool stuff coming. We're doing a new fun truck coming down the road. So it's gonna be hip. It's like a gloss camo. I think we're gonna do a really brand new car next. I think it's the first one in Springfield. So I'm excited about that. But we got a lot to do. We got a lot more to get done, and you gotta check it out. You gotta tune in, check it out, subscribe. I just wanted to give you a little shop update, what's cracking. You'd be surprised how long we've been here waiting to shoot this video. We've been out, hanging out, talking. Every time we go to shoot a video, someone stops in, hey, Randy, what's up? That's what you should do. Stop in, pop in. Stop in and pop in. I'll show you what's on the shop in person. Swing in. One of my dudes just hit us up about the module thing. He wants to use it on a Chevy truck, so we're hyped about it. We're going to reprogram some stuff. But thanks for checking it out. I hope you liked it. Just a quick update. So tune in. This is going to get exciting this week. We're going to put the guys through some ringers. I haven't thought about making them tint it blindfold. I want to see if I asked the guys if they could tint a window blindfolded, and they said, "Oh yeah, I can do that, no problem." So let's see if they can do it. Can you imagine it? So it'll be fun. We got a lot going on. Thanks for checking it out. Randy, Show Me Tint. Like, subscribe. That'll help us out, please. And we appreciate you. Yeah, thank you guys. All right, have a good one.